And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, Helene has been a big national weather story, but one thing that's kind of been buried is the heat. In fact, it's been record hot this part of Canada here, all the way through the plains and all the way back to the southwest. I mean, it was 97 over the weekend in Bismarck, North Dakota. Even last week they hit 97. Some places hit 100. It was 99 in northern Wyoming, and even today it's 91 in Omaha, 96 in Scott City, Kansas, and 90 in Denver. Now, why am I telling you that? Because we're going to kind of miss this heat. It's kind of all going up this way because there's a cold front right here, and that's the cold front that comes in and brings us some pretty chilly nights. We've got a couple of nights here. We're going to dip into the 40s, and you'll see that in the outlook here in a sec. Maybe a sprinkle this evening, otherwise some partial clearing, areas of fog, but not that cool tonight. We're down 60 to 64, but be aware some of that fog could be locally dense come tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's a 75 to 80 degree day. The wind cranks up. The fog will disperse in the morning, then the wind cranks up. We hit our high of 78, maybe a small isolated shower or two as the cold front passes through the area. So 78 will do it for us here in Greater Lafayette, but for everybody up in Monticello, 76, 77 Peru, and we'll get into the mid-70s at Rensselaer. Then the 40s come in tomorrow night. We're talking low to mid-40s for lows tomorrow night to early on Wednesday morning. 42 at Rensselaer, 43 Monticello, one of the cooler nights we've had in weeks around here. 44 at Peru, 43 towards Rushville, and then we're about 43 to 46 in our southern areas. 45 Frankfort and 44 Linden, about 46 at Covington. And then we look ahead to Wednesday. Wednesday's a nice day. Again, cool in the morning at 45, but lots of sunshine in the afternoon, and we're talking upper 60s to mid 70s. 69 Kokomo to your low 70s at Lafayette and Fowler, and even a few mid 70s out towards Pine Village. There is Futurecast. Again, the little sprinkle this evening, some of that fog overnight, and then tomorrow here comes the cold front right here. Again, kind of morning to midday hours with a shower or two, and then we get a nice clearing trend. The strong winds and the much cooler air come in. Wednesday's beautiful, but as quickly as we cool down, we warm right back up. By Thursday, our winds are already turning back to the southwest. So we do warm back towards 80 on Thursday, but another front should come through and cool us back a little bit for the weekend. But the bottom line is very dry weather pattern, but we got to watch for a couple more tropical systems along the Gulf Coast, but those look to stay away from us. 79 Thursday as the wind goes back to the south. 78 Friday, another cold front comes through, so we're 46 on Saturday morning. 49 Sunday morning. Again, we've got the feast going on this upcoming weekend. 80 on Sunday, 82 Monday, then back to the 70s Tuesday, and then we're right back into the 80s after that with dry weather dominating.